Supercar run now. Oh God! Oh, what a shame! I'm flying. It's trying.
Drift cars, it really pushes the elements, and there's so many of the fastest drifting. If you're an engineer fan, you can see the build quality, the interesting, unique, obviously the aero, but the driving, the capability. And again, I talked about Toyota, Nissan, Ford. Yeah, I mean, it was KTC. He's known as Drift King. He was at Kawabata here. He's in the R35. He's a Japanese legend. He competes in G1 GT, then stateside Formula Drift, expanding to Southeast Asia, to Japan, and Formula Drift is the premier drift. Yo! Oh, he catches that front right headlight on the hay bale going to the flip wall, and that's coming up and down. Here in Europe, but we'd like to see the thing over there and take a look at the commentary box. And Nick Moore going to like I said, the BMWs, they've really grown in popularity. Now we do motorsports anyway, the racing car.
See one of those, a low-tech Sirius Largo. Simon Furlonger, specialist car.
The bloke we went to.
918. The goat section, greatest of all time. That is something else. Look at that for a G-Wagon. Carlex. That is lovely. Like a little umbrella on the back. Bit of a Urus Lamborghini. Urbaned up. Urban stand's nice. Just look at the old Defender. Proper back end chop. That's proper strong. That is clever. Woo! Now, I'm not big into these roly-polies, but that urbaned up in the green, that does look good. I would even forgive the London Taxi front end. That is nice. Carbon sills, lowered, nice wheels. What are they running on there? 22s? 24s? Holy schmoly. That Defender's good. Ooh. That's that carbon again, same as on the Lambo Performante. Really is good, my friend says, as Scarlet Felicia Fun pickup, which I keep telling him to buy, but he won't get his hand out of his pocket for more than $4,500 and $8 grand. So that's why he's not getting one. No, $5 grand. Oh, I get one $5 grand. Obviously not, because otherwise he'd have one. That is lovely. Yeah, nice, the urban stand. Like a Pinarello Dogma. Nice. Wistram red on it. Yes. Beep beep. Come on. XJ220 in the Adventure. Jurassic Park doors. Like it. Bronco. That's nice in the yellow. Nice wheels on it as well. Mustang looks amazing this year. Little 550 up there. That might have just been an F1 car going past. What a great stand this year. Last year was so disappointing. Everything was blooming electric. GT3 SC convertible. Proper business.
We've got stories to tell, and literally it's our story then. So please elaborate, both of you.
Got the helmet at home, and he always looks at it and smiles at the thought of it, and he did it on his part, and he actually did aim for it. But no, I'm not sure. But it was and that's when it's
electric are just mental.
He loves the flag me off.
The noise of these bad boys. DLS. That's something else into it. We've had to stop the track for the moment. There's something going on, so red flag. Not quite sure why he's going so slow, but anyway.
As he makes his way through the first corner and up the hill, heading up towards the house now, the Ferrari Speciale, the open top version of Ferrari, 180 horsepower for flying. Michael Schumacher, famously.
Come on, son, this is popping.
F5 at 6.6 meters twin turbo.
Come on, son. I don't know why this thing is going so slow.
He's obviously got.
Oh, look at these pop-up lights. So they were the ones.
Unsurprisingly, he's got another punch. That record monster.
Love a bit of the Porsches. The gold getting a bit dusty, but oh, look at the little 924 coming up. Nice touring. Oh, that's nice. In the nice colour. Look at the 2.4. So, Porsche car park, that's nothing to be sniffed at either. Ooh, look at the brown 911 with the roof rack on. That's nice. Targa's nice. Unusual being in red. Nice Carrera. Nice Carrera, no tail. That's what I'm going to look at tomorrow. 911 SC. Video on that coming soon. Nice. Little 2.4 in red. Yeah, car park. Not the worst spot in the world, is it? Oh, nice. Little old one there. If you want your car in green, park here. 911 Woody, no less. Jesse, whatever Jesse is. This is Jazzy, is Jesse. Bet I can't get on the list to get one of them. Earl's Court 51 edition. Nice, the green. Which one do we prefer? Okay. The touring in purple. Strong manual with some checkered seats. Nice. Disco in here. Much better stand than normal last year. Oh, that's why it's like a disco. Yes, we have DJ Porsche. Yeah, like an M3. Proper. Didn't do so well in the UK because the left hooker, but I don't remember why they had that spoiler on. I don't remember that being on. Maybe because it's Evo. Now we're going to try. Okay. Mr. Singer, what would you like to do this year? Oh, could I hang up some cars in front of your house? What, my house here? What, these cars there? Outside my hill? Of course you can. Would you pay me £500,000 and come and put them up yourself? Okay. What a setup. Imagine this out your front door. Of course. Bit of fireworks mid-afternoon. Helicopter going overhead. Something's going on. Oh, it's a singamobile. Oh, everything's important, he said. my eyes. It's amazing. Of course, just a hypercar going past. Oh wow. Well, it's just mental. Having the worst day out. How to do that wow. Who doesn't like petrol vehicles?
Those are all the things that separate Goodwood Festival of Speed from every
You're not
other
kidding, it
motorsport
separates
event in the
Goodwood
world.
Festival. Well done.